हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लॉ लर्निंग स्कूल। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे जुरिस्प्रूडेंस के इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारे यूजीसी नेट लॉ के एग्ज़ाम के लिए। इससे पहले हमने 45 क्वेश्चन जो है वो डिस्कस कर लिए थे। आज की वीडियो में हम 46 क्वेश्चन से डिस्कस करेंगे। देन question is, John Austin is the exponent of which school of the jurisprudence? Option A is sociological school, option B is an analytical school, option C is a historical school, option D is none of these. Then right answer is option B, analytical school. And the next question is, who among the following gave three different meaning of the term source of law? Option A is a Salmon, option B is a law key, and option C is the last key, and option D is the Austin. Then right answer is option D, Austin. And the next question is, which school make a departure from the orthodox view about law and suggest that law is derived from many sources and develops in the society itself? Option A is a sociological school, option B is a philosophical school, option C is an analytical school, and option D is a historical school. The right answer is option A, is a sociological school. And the next question is, according to which jurist before any defined agency for social control is developed, there exists a control arising partly from the public opinion of the living and more largely from the public opinion of the dead. Then option A is a January Bentham, option B is a Harvard Spencer, and option C is a Lasky, and option D is a John Austin. The right answer is option B, is a Harvard Spencer. And the next question is, who said that custom is to society, that law is to the state, each of the expression and the realization to the measure of man, it inside and ability of the principle of the right and justice? Option A is a Keaton, option B is a Halsbury, option C is a Salmon, option D is a Bentham. The right answer is option C, Salmon. And the next question is, who among the following said that a legal custom is one which is operating as per, say, as a binding rule of law is independently of any agreement on the part of those subject to it? Is option A is Austin, option B is a Salmon, option C is Dewitt, and option D is a Barker. The right answer is option B is Salmon. The next question is, how many types of legal custom are there? Option A is a 2, option B is a 3, option C is a 4, and option D is a 5. The right answer is option A, is a 2. ठीक है, लोकल और जनरल कस्टम 2 टाइप्स होते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अकॉर्डिंग टू विच जूरिस्ट प्रेसिडेंट इज अ जज मेड लॉ? ठीक है, ऑप्शन इज अ कीटन, ऑप्शन बी इज अ जर्मनी बेंथम, ऑप्शन सी इज अ जॉन ऑस्टिन, ऑप्शन डी इज अ हार्वर्ड स्पेंसर. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, जर्मनी बेंथम. And the next question is, which of the following is or are the kind of the persuasive precedent? Option A is a foreign judgment, option B is a judicial dicta, and option C is a authoritative text book and the commentaries, and option D is all of the above. The right answer is option D, is all of the above. And the next question is, who defined the obiter dicta as a conclusion based on the fact and the existence of which has not been determined by the court? And option A is a Bentham, option B is a Goodhart, option C is a John Mill, and option D is a John Austin. Right answer is option B, Goodhart. The next question is, the term legislation is derived from the word legis or latum. The option A is a Greek, option B is a French, option C is a Latin, option D is a German. The right answer is option C, is a Latin. And the next question is, who among the following said that the legislation include the formal authority and utterance of the legislative organ of the society? Option A is a T.E. Holland, option B is a Gray, option C is Austin, option D is a Blackstone. The right answer is option B, is a Gray. In England, the is supreme is very essence option A is a crown, option B is a British Parliament, option C is a British Prime Minister, and option D is a constitution, the British Parliament. Right answer. Okay. And the next question is, which of the following is not a kind of subordinate legislation? Is a international legislation, option B is a colonial legislation, option C is a executive legislation, option D is a judicial legislation. The right answer is option A is a international legislation. And the next question is, in which school there is a basic presumption that there is a link between the society and the law? And the option is a natural school, option B is a realistic school, and option C is an analytical school, option D is a historical school. Then right answer is option D is a historical school. And the next question is, who among the following is considered to be the chief exponent of the historical school? Is option A is a Montesquieu, option B is a Savigny, option C is a Salmond, and option D is a Woodke. And the right answer is option B is a Savigny. And the next question is, who is said to be the father of analytical school? Is option A is a Geoffrey Bentham, option B is a John Austin, option C is a Locke, and option D is a Harold Darsky. And the right answer is option B is a John Austin. And the next question is, which of the following are the essential of the valid custom? Option A is इसमें statement दी गई है, कोड में आंसर करना है. The first statement is, the custom must have existed since time immemorial. And option second statement is, the custom must have been in operation with small interruption only. And option C, third statement is, the custom must have been exercised peaceable, openly, and as of right. And fourth statement is, the custom must not be unreasonable in the eyes of law. And right answer is statement 1, 3rd, and 4th is a right answer. Okay. And the next question is, consider the following statement and choose in the correct option. Is option statement first is the whole of the Hindu law of marriage, adoption, succession is based on the custom prevalent in ancient Hindu society. And option B, statement B is a jurists like Savigny and Henry Men did not recognize customary law more superior to the law of the state. And option C is, the law of the sanctions and the health, building, construction, and architecture may be included under the practical law. And option D is, the LL Lotus case defined the international law as a principle which are in force between the all independent nations. The right answer is option B is a jurists like Savigny and Henry Men did not recognize customary law more superior to the law of the state. And the next question is, consider the following definition of the law and choose the incorrect definition. Option A is, according to the do-it law eminent and is enforced by the state. He firmly believed that there is a confluence of the command, sanction, and sovereignty of law. And option B is a Hegel defined the law as the abstract expression of the general will and existing in and for itself. And option C is, according to Eyring, law is the form of guarantee of the condition of the life and in the society assured by the state power of the constant. And option D is, according to the Salmond, law is the body of principle recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. And option A is a right answer. And the next question is, consider the following statement and identify the correct statement. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है, द मेन एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ द इम्पेरेटिव थ्योरी ऑफ लॉ was Austin. And option B is imperative law has two essential elements. Option C is the human law may be of the two kinds. And option D is a civil law consists of the command issued by the state to its subject and enforced by the physical power. The right answer is option C is the human law may be of the two kinds. Okay. And the next question is, consider the following statement and identify the correct incorrect statement. तो ये सारी ही जो स्टेटमेंट है वो करेक्ट है, लेकिन बी स्टेटमेंट जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है, ठीक है। करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन सी है? द नेचुरल लॉ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द रैशनल लॉ बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द रीजन, ठीक है। एंड द राइट स्टेटमेंट इज international law is a kind of conventional law because its principles are expressly and impliedly agreed upon by the member of the state. And option D is a positivist, do not accept custom as a proper law but treat to only as a source of law. And the next question is consider the following statement and choose the correct statement. इसमें से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बतानी है, दो स्टेटमेंट दी गई हैं। द प्रोविंस ऑफ द प्राइवेट लॉ इज द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ द रिलेशन बिटवीन द पर्सन एंड पर्सन्स एंड द पब्लिक लॉ डील विद द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द पर्सन एंड द स्टेट। द राइट आंसर इज बोथ ए एंड बी, दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट जो है वो राइट है। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। इनमें से करेक्ट बतानी है। तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है? द टेरिटोरियल लॉ of the country is called the special law, and option B क्या है? Indian law of the crime and law of contract are the general law of the country. And third statement है general law consist of those legal rule of which the court take judicial notice. The right answer is 2 and 3 statement are correct, ठीक है। And the next question is consider the following statement and select the correct statement. इनमें से correct statement बतानी है। statement दी गई है दोनों ही। तो first statement है Vedas and the Smritis are the source of according to Hindus jurisprudence as they have originate from this the sagas. And next statement is Quran is the word of God and therefore a positive source of Muslim law. So both statement are correct. And the next question is consider the following statement, select the correct statement. इनमें से भी correct statement बतानी है। तो option A first and the second statement जो है वो right है। first statement है legal source are those source which are recognized as such by the law itself. And option statement second है historical source are those source which lack formal recognition by the law. Okay. And the next question is consider the following statement and select the correct statement. Then all of these are the correct option statements. First है a conventional custom is one which operates only indirectly. And second statement है conventional custom is one those authority in the conditional. And option third statement है conventional custom is referred as usages and the legal custom as the custom simpliciter. The all statement क्या है वो correct है, ठीक है। And next question is इनमें से भी correct स्टेटमेंट जो है वो फाइंड करनी है। देन ओनली टू जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है वो राइट है। अ प्रेसिडेंट इज अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ लॉ एम्बॉडिड इन द डिसीजन ऑफ द सुपीरियर कोर्ट विच डिसीजन हैज टू द फॉलोड बाय द कोर्ट एंड बाय द कोर्ट सबऑर्डिनेट टू इट, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग का क्वेश्चन है जिसमें हेगल डेफिनेशंस बताई है। एक तरफ जुरिस्ट है दूसरी तरफ डेफिनेशंस हैं। तो हेगल ने क्या डेफिनेशन दी है? अब्स्ट्रैक्ट एक्सप्रेशन of the journal will existing in and for itself. And 7e ने बोला है the rule thereby the invisible broader line in the fixed within which the being and the activity of each individual obtain a secure and free space. And iron की है third is law is the form of guarantee of the condition of the life and society assured by the state power of constraint. And do it की है law क्या है? essentially a social fact which regulate the conduct of the each individual and community. Then right answer is option D is दोनों जो मैचिंग है वो करेक्ट ही है। हेगल फर्स्ट ए का फर्स्ट बी का सेकंड ऐसे ही है, ठीक है। एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग का है जिसमें बताना है स्ट्राके का क्या है? क्या डेफिनेशन दी है, द रूल ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल लॉ आर वॉलंटरली थ्रो हैबिचुअली ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय every state in its dealing with the rest can be called law only by the curiosity. ठीक है, कोर्ट से एंड ओपनहाइम की क्या डेफिनेशन है, तो इंटरनेशनल लॉ as a rule of conduct which state feel themselves bound to observe and therefore to commonly observe in their relation with each other. and Russell's की क्या definition है, तो dependent defends international law a law and say a weak law nevertheless is still law. एंड है हॉलैंड है ऑप्शन जो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है वो है, इंटरनेशनल लॉ द एग्रीगेट ऑफ द रूल टू विच द नेशन हैव एग्रीड टू देयर कंडक्ट टुवर्ड द वन अनदर. ठीक है, ये स्टेटमेंट है हॉलैंड की थर्ड. ठीक है, एंड द नेक्स्ट फिर से मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग में डुइट ने क्या डेफिनेशन दी है, डुइट्स थ्रो law is not derived from the single source of the law and the real basis of the law is public service. and Austin ने क्या बोला है, Austin referred of the three different meaning of the term of source of law. and Eric ने क्या बोला है, at present as well as any other time the center of the gravity of the legal development line, not a legislation, not a jurist science and not a judicial decision but the society itself. and साल्वेंट ने क्या बोला है, तो legal source are those source which are recognized as such by the law itself. ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए इज अ राइट आंसर. एंड द नेक्स्ट है स्कूल बताने हैं और जुरिस्ट ने बताना हिस्टोरिकल स्कूल के जुरिस्ट कौन है, तो 7 ही हैं हिस्टोरिकल स्कूल के. एनालिटिकल स्कूल के हैं बेंथम और फिलोसफिकल स्कूल के हैं कांट एंड सोशियोलॉजिकल स्कूल के रॉस्क्यू पॉन्ट. ठीक है, ये थे हमारे आज के एमसीक्यूज जो हमने डिस्कस कर लिए. और यदि आप ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस को डिटेल में पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल पर एक प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस की, जिसमें हर एक टॉपिक को डिस्कस किया है जो कि एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, यदि आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखी हैं तो मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके वो वीडियोस देख सकते हैं. और साथ ही साथ मैं आपको बता दूं कि यहाँ मैंने सब्जेक्ट वाइज प्लेलिस्ट बनाई है. यदि आपने इन वीडियोस को देखना होगा तो आप मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके इन वीडियोस को देख सकते हैं. और यदि आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी है देन डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशन. और थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.